Hey guys, what's up? Dubz here, bringing you another video. Pretty much going to show you how to sync up your phone with the drone on the DJI Go app. It's real simple. All you got to do is see where the cloud is, and it says it has circles around it. You just go like that, and it syncs it. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that you ever get your drone, your DJI Phantom 3 standard, I got it up to 60 miles an hour. That's my proof. Yesterday, 60 miles an hour. So if that's the fastest I got it so far. So yeah.